Hey, what's up guys? Miguel here with another DeWalt video. This is my new impact. This is the Atomic DCF850. What is that? DCF850. It's going to be working or replacing my DCF887. This is the old drill that I've been using for a few years. This one's been very beat up. It's been very good. It's been my favorite. Has a 3-speed adjustment. This one has a 3-speed adjustment too. And when I was looking online, it's looking like it has pretty much the same specs as this one. On the box that it says it's 29% shorter, and it's the shortest high torque impact driver ever. Yeah, so basically if I line up the batteries on the bottom, this is the difference on the actual drill. That's pretty lined up on the bottom, and it's a little bit taller. It's a little bit taller than the DCF887. On with a big battery, it's very bulky, but that's the size of it. You can use a smaller battery for it, and I guess it would be a lot lighter, a lot shorter, and would actually make more sense to use a smaller battery. But usually I'm driving screws. I'm going to do a couple screws today. I'm going to do some with star bits, 1 5/8 screws for just a test. So basically we're gonna do 1 5/8 with the new drill. This is the DCF850, and then I'll use the same bit for the DCF887. The reason why I haven't changed out this DCF887 is because I really liked it. New drill is a lot faster. We're gonna try it now with I think this is a 2-inch screw with a star bit. Get it in there. And then we'll try it with the 887. Get it started. I mean, it feels almost exactly the same. Not really a big difference. This is a 2.5-inch screw with the new drill, and they work great. I mean, I would have never replaced this because I did end up with a regular Atomic. I didn't like it. I gave it to a buddy of mine that needed a smaller drill or a smaller impact so he can get an upgrade. And this one was on sale, Home Depot, from $149 to $99.99, bare tool. And I like it. You know, it feels almost the same as the 887. Driving wise, it's a good deal. It's a good upgrade. 99 bucks, man. HomeDepot.com is where I got it from. Let's try it one more time. Try to make this video as fast as I can, but just to let you guys see what's going on with this thing. It's a lot smoother. Maybe it's because it's a newer drill, and this old guy has been beat up, beat down, thrown around, and has done a lot. But I'm very happy with this new drill. I think it's gonna be the one. But yeah, that is my review on this DeWalt DCF850 Atomic Compact Series. Their shortest high torque impact driver ever.